So here's the things that you need to remember upon planning your wedding. So number 1, we have set a target budget. So discuss with your partner your target budget upon planning your wedding. So sometimes the reason why exceeded ang gastos nyo kasi hindi nyo na-compute ahead of time ang mga budget na mga supply or gagastusin ninyo. So do not decide based on your emotion. Decide based on practicality. For instance, bakit ka bibili ng mamahaling shoes or sapatos kung hindi ka naman gaano komportable suotin yan. And then at the same time, you need to list down all the things that you need to buy ahead of time para on that day wala ka ng mga exceeded pa na mga gastos kahit hindi naman kailangan. So that's the tip number 1. Number 2, we have plan your guest list months before the wedding. Why? Alam nyo ba ano ang pinaka-inconsistent sa mundo? Yun yung guest list. Bakit? Kasi every time that you rediscuss your guest list with your partner, sasabihin agad ng partner mo, bakit wala si ganito? Bakit wala si ganyan? Or ikaw mismo, bakit wala si ganito? Or bakit wala si ganyan? Kaya naman, uulitin mo na naman kung sino yung dapat tanggalin sa guest list based on your budget or per head na kumbaga down payment in advance. You need to choose your guest wisely. Huwag mong piliin ang mga guest na hindi naman masyadong naging parte ng buhay nyo as a couple. And at the same time, mas okay pa rin yung mga guest na mahal kayo or merong pake sa relationship ninyo. Kasi yan yung mga guest na maaasahan nyo not just in that day but also for the rest of your life as a married couple. So always remember that one. So that's my tip for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!